Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off Samsung Wallet Quick Access on the home screen of your Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now from the home screen you want to swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next we swipe up to go down and then tap on General Management. Then scroll down and tap on Passwords and Autofill. Then tap on Autofill with Samsung Pass. Now that will allow you to open up Samsung Wallet. Alternatively, you can open up Samsung Wallet from the app screen. So on the home screen, we can swipe up to go into the app screen. Then tap on the Samsung folder. Next, tap on Samsung Wallet, and this will allow you to open up Samsung Wallet again. Now I'm going to go back to the Samsung Wallet home screen. Then tap on the menu tab at the bottom. Next, tap on the settings icon. Then tap on Quick Access. Then tap on Access Locations and Default Card. In here, go down and tap on Home Screen. So tap on the Home Screen toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. So what it does is that on your home screen, you can swipe up to quickly access your Samsung Wallet. And to turn it off, we can go into Quick Access again. And then we're going to switch it off. Now that I switch it off, you can see when I swipe up, it does not open up the Samsung Wallet. So for some people, they prefer to have it off because if they're playing game or if they're doing something, if they're using some app, and sometimes they might accidentally swipe up and open up the wallet and they don't like that. So you can switch it off or turn it on if you like. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.